In the Bible, God treated human beings as a samplings or trees. Nowadays, majority of the people, even though they are calling as Christians, because of the busyness, we are not able to give sufficient time to study the Bible. We are not able to understand the heart of the God if we don't read the Bible. As our body needs energy by the food what we are eating, the same way our soul needs energy. It gets only from the Word of God, which is in the Bible. So, whatever the seed, whatever the plant which is planted very near to the river, flowing river, it grows very well. It gives some fruits. But which is planted in a desert, which doesn't have even water vapor, it dies within 2 days. So God is treating us as a plants on samplings. It should be planted near to the river of God, that is Word of God. We will be fruitful in our life and in the society. So please give sufficient time to the Word of God to study it, learn it, meditate it. Thank you.